So guys, today this is a news on CBSE site. CBSE has launched artificial intelligence platform for students. Today I'm going to show you how to register in it and by step by step. So first let's think what is the AISC or Artificial Intelligence Student Community. This would be a community which CBSE has set up with Intel. As you all know, the Intel is a brand which which makes processors and computer other parts. So this community will be basically on different students who are studying in CBSE board will come together and make use of AI and learn to form algorithms and different such things. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. So in this video, I'm now going to show you step by step how to log in into AI student community and how to register in it. So for that, you have to go to the CBSE official site. You might be thinking about this site that I have opened right now. This site as if of your no use. If you want it, then I'll put the link in the description box. You can go and check it out. So for that, search over and the link will appear over here. Have to click on this link cbseacademics.nic.in and you will be redirected to a page. So over here you will see an option of AI student community. You just have to click it and you will be redirected to another browser page, and over here you have to just wait till it loads up and then click on sign up. Over here a sign up page will get open. You have to just select your profile as a student or a teacher. For teachers it is just coming soon, so we will start with the students. So for student you have to just enter your first name, middle name and last name. If you don't have a middle name, you just have to enter your first name and the last name. Then you have to enter your email ID and a password. You have to create new password. A password you have to just create it. Then you have to enter your city, then state, and your gender and the classes. It is just eligible for 6th to 12th. So you have to be in 6th to 12th only to get into this AISC. So now you have to fill out your school name and select the type as government, private or government aided schools, and then just simply click on submit. As soon as you log in, you will see over here an interface like this. So over here you can see different type of things like welcome help machinery with so you have to just go down, continue learning, introducing to AI's latest views and all these. Over here you will see this one, latest events or the courses. Over here you can see all the courses that are coming up and I have went. You can enroll in any of them. So today is 16th. I am rolling into 17 March this course. I can just click on enroll and here I will get enrolled in that course. You will find many things like this only over here, like many what is AI means robot, unfair artificial intelligence, what is artificial intelligence project like Jarvis, everything you can view. So this is a community powered by Intel and CBSE. You can see both the logos over here. So that's up in today's video. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video with your friends.